ena me sa kamia kasa me maame ma ho fedua maame wo ni patitru pa e wo ha ansa na obenya ni patitru sei e wo fie ha sei na kyerese na wo show so no na kyerese wa ye nhira in fact maame no ho maame no sere ade nyankopon se omma mi nyi nche na daache me meye te se maame a me beyi ne ho adi a kyere wi in fact wotimi hu se ebusunya ne tete ne ye omo de ne fantiti yemu a besi nne na ho nanim kura na wotimi hu se no kre egusuwom from the Brima besi ne penny fee so Agona West former MP mi ankasa mi sweet mommy hey mi sweet mommy Nayas me nya mi MP e o mi show you so also wasum yode when so keka o peni fakre hu me mama Cynthia Morrison mi ankasa mi sweet mommy Cynthia Morrison oye Mrs. Agona former MP ewa ha ena councillor perfect so ha enko mama kwaba pamcho mama kwaba o me mama enkese nka me sorry ebe koto na ase na nka wo bless me me say mommy bless me mommy bless me mommy bless me ana councillor perfect odwen ho say kese ke ko na ase nko bless ye
uhu obi a wabo brana kwani mu sana eno ne yakotu so nhira yen
yakotu so ye ade ye sensen machi so councillor me ye den na ma sorry mommy kese ka me ba wo na ase be koto say mommy bless me mommy me pa cha pomu tese
nyame na dom ho
pocho bibia
ye boko
okay mommy pocho ifrehim fa full name na nkasa oye apade na enye monkomo kakra na enye nhye experience kakra no
da ase maminchi a hena hwefo nyina na hena tifu na adwene enyampo de oyde me bless wo nyame hira wo nyame we hira wo de onye me na me hira wo nyame no hira nti nyankopon on hira no nyo kese wo aho brase nyame ma wo do
amen
na you better than Cynthia Morrison
amen menya better than
Cynthia Morrison nyankopon si ene mba be ya kesa asen
I am blessed
nti damna oydo so believe it trust it and work towards it. I can Cynthia Morrison, a mamly chedem ye mansa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Mamly.
Yeah, third girl be a mamly.
Oh. So Cynthia
Mamly Morrison.
Cynthia
Mamly is man I home cry.
Oh, okay.
Me mammy feel mina.
Okay. Ma, iya den enya dem din mamly.
A mansa a mamly.
Okay, na chede itode basa.
Itode basa.
Gambe fu no what to dem din no but
me papa finingo. Okay.
Oh.
Papa finingo so me share enyim ho.
Oh, okay.
But enyim ho by birth in a third born a mamly to the mansa.
Oh. Wow. Okay. But your wabra body started for him fan because school were he na sana esidu bi baby e franka sankasa because ashofo nyina were show were tell
maybe said Cynthia Morrison said that my music can come me man so me mama number way for four girls
who me fedudu just say send your bi wa no kra kasa no oh god mama important
four girls
okay
inti me nyame mama na me nyini
okay
sometimes make adama na me paternal side won share dan happy but abrabo man sam there ka eka to encourage obi
okay
osanda me kan dey say bia me nyime papa nyini anche me ye me nti me maame a me nyini nyame atonsa friend
okay
me sweetheart na me bibia
okay
nyame atonsa friend but oyede me appreciating na me maame oyejuma wo bank Standard Chartered Bank.
Oh, okay.
They come first female accountant.
Okay.
During those days, so eko ejuma na balance eko bank na balance mbe fi. Until ya mama eko ejuma, ibu ho beba very late. Ibu beba na unda wa bre. Until na me take inspiration from me mama. Me isa o hwehen besi afanan na obabesia. Before Christmas, me mama wato hen underwear hen inter or start if be the June onye ska kakra no di tietia nte Christmas beban even though ni etinkrofo oni fie yes yen kwa ye first obi anata because what no bo wa bobu sika no kakran around this time August na chedo payment ni go do before Christmas. Inti ye mami inti tiende ye beka afutu ho asem. Inda na pay apo na menyim kunu kasa na meka chen. Me hu bibi online. There abofre bi okọ interview nyina na adwina anyi there. Me ko adwuma na mefifie because my papa the pressure to me do. Also light also duman. Oboy pipe also tum o man instructions into opedo fifie. Na okọ interview na odu compound don. Na we water garden, water holes in the ho na nsunu gwa obi enyi ho na okoto pipe nam. Okọ odu baby na light si veranda ni nyina obi enyi ho na odum light en. Oru another room air conditioner usi ho obi anyi dem ho so air condition si do na okoduman. Inti owie no do interview onye last person. One man egwampo na wose on start ejuma Monday we wie ne interview. Wow. Na wo bisan all kade on one interview nto odwena why a mistake we feel there. Why no so there be one interview no say aye one interview na ewie. Ye the CCTV camera na esi won ye hwe. Everybody nyina edu ha eto pipe num edum light eye day ni nyina na ehun there wa show. Wow. Me ma me kire he nti me fie o chede me twem na light si do a we dem domin. Nti me hu nia na me send them my back road there. Ma me kire wo fie na I feel there. Pressure wo do because I me mrebe ya na why light off. Generators do ma dum na sa na mreba. Osanda abofro no wo fie ni. Why light off aga na nyina why light off a. Nya wo na di generator hwe TV pe na so air condition nti medum. Wow. Ma kire o de se twutwu san esa wonsu na di twutwu se. Nya pipe na ebobo esi do na di twutwu. Even though we can afford to pay, it doesn't mean you have to waste it. Okay. Into wastage or ya da ye already a chemo from man ye chemo fiti mo from ase. Say atwa mabofra ni nyina sa na tete na adin oide odinyin na minshraw. Inti the menyame nyina wo kire me maame so o kire hen dem abrabo ni nyina because no responsibility ni nyina tete pa ni nyina free o maame free fie. Wow. Minuanom ye 4 girls. Dem 4 ni nyina traits na dem attributes no bia obi. Wow. Ni adwena ye maame ye mean or ye pepe ni susu ebudu twusa na wa ye den light so sido a but ye nyine ne ye hu de sa na ye ntete papa nti waka me kunukura boy pipe ogina sink no wan ma akotum. Wow. Light wobo 6 pe na wa so light ofie onyina. Dem bi se na adin sen o de na wo so light nti twene sum brand sa na so light. Wow. Nti oye bibia oye ntete a ye de mamofra nti oye bibia me mame chem nti wan man oye dem so a service car. Service car. Nti ye found the last Monday. Okay. Mechi me yon nti me koye scan. Oh, sorry. Me fi scan tina me nda me nto me mbampo. Oh, okay. Me fi scan ena mikosan because me kunu onye mokwai. Nti mikosan we dwumem. Me fi edwumem amokwa agbogboshi. Why dem metuma kwa agbogboshi? Wow. Me house help ekodon kogoma osi ho. Na me ka chendo pa me man ono ne sisi me man ni scout ko ni shopping na. Opi onko melcom anade onko mall no ko di ni kwa. Wow. Because pineapple more. Ekoto agbogboshi a. Set on 10 cedis, eko mall eboton 30 cedis. For 50 cedis. It's why they already me koto more. Wa bra me nyim there. So because enyima me tun ketesia phone. Watch pa more than 23 years ago. Na me call agbogboshi very early in the morning. Na me call to Frankie's. Okay. Frankie's supermarket. Me call to agbogboshi. Okay. Frankie's abo ho no boto nyama na odziko nua wo Frankie's na nyina eto. Nti se onu Frankie's Lebanese yin tumba agbogboshi bedzigo a. Why the young girl I start abrabo na nyu kunu wa start life n. Ese me mokomo na makoto makoye shopping makoto enko market. Wow. Any the basket of tomato me turn 150 a whole basket fresh nice tomatoes 150. Wow. Onion sack me turn 100. Wow. Moko olonka me turn 30 cedis. Inti me kwa sika na medibo to neighborhood 5 cedis 10 cedis in e connect to 30 cedis na be last a whole month. In so say to area 5 cedis to 2 cedis at the end of the month about be 60 cedis. Wow. Into ode yesua mesa ye management. Wow. It's ma ihwe in the young girls na wa aba na ijidide ntiti ye na bia wanya
another yahomaso another yabade because there is no way as American make 85% girls no we benya dem time na counselor o my say ono 500 cedis kra na o ya we passes or the co marketer e beto niema bebre but ahomaso akesesem obi ekọ more akoto tibi so mi kobi make say so come more kra ni say ka say tomatoes bucket 1000 Ghana kra na obeto but ma so say bi entity ya ye do fair mu e hono me ntiase ye because won tete ye no ana say make say tete entity ya mo fair mu no ene no ene ye de no emu abura kra
ebi o wa oyesuatra
okay
na nyankoforo nti obekobi menyi kasa na meka chende ye pe bibi de ma na mi so okomakola me change Georgina stores okowa os ye dan wakomakola me ntume nkomakola me kohokwa na me ntitim na mi si really me wa menyankon menyim ne ma me menyim ne fie baby ofiansa na oye nyimpo ye enti mission nyere me ma me sabi no onyi bio me ma me no ejuma Standard Chartered Bank
tina mba be
first female accountant
wow
enti na nyede
fisika mu pa
nyere ye fisika di ye mfim
but na bi wo ho
yeah very comfortable wow. Me ma me o kan besia for wodi kanto dan so man estate ho ye kwa den ye lane no e bank funkutin bebre na wotete ho
wow
another bank ni na wato no da rent obi ye next door Bank of Ghana ye other Standard Chartered commercial bank or ye bank lane wow na ye wo bank fu na wote ho me ma me no ye besia oda woni ntem mo akanya ye mbenyimfu no nche de nyi skadam but oye okay so me ma me otopa no me mama ochu gari me mama odu 83 na come aba Ghana
upon baby are not say comfortable I mean oye juma bank na ade ni nyina ochi gari
83 ye hu kom wow because me mama na ochu gari na nkofo be sell line woto otopa no na nkofo be sell line woto 83 no J bank no started there oye bakery ono di hwen nti anya nkofo na he na ye fe bi na ye di chen anya nkofo me ba girl me sweetheart se to adima na ohwe price tag no bu yedi no beka don pay
wow
se reto amano kwa na wo shop what's mommy me ba girl
ba otoda he
me first girl na me
where dia he
where is it 28 now
wow
oh America otenasi but eto adima no baby so mommy how much is it opedo who price mommy if it's too expensive I don't want it I'll google the price
wow
and me say me management me ban position onyi management system me ba girl no Westie girls Emma ni scan no diko school o makwa no about the envelope brewa sika no wom
wow
Emma na nyama no odo so a orko school me ba ko school oye me denicho box na wheels wase Os mommy come and take that box and bring me an ordinary box because obia ne box ye kakraba man kuti mizu no odd nti mintumi mboi nti ode ekofa box ne to smaller box man minka oyanyame so ehu de me kadama onye me papa bi kan se mo se enwo bakwase da ese nyimba titi nti it doesn't mean do ye me na maye me mama mo ye he nyina we could have decided that ye mfa me ban she could have decided that on fa oyanyame inoma because Mrs. Kakraba oyos cotton one man na so e would awanoma is not emi oyanyame no ye ndem but ntiti no so oko because me friend shede man na ntiti no nye ni nyina no ye nkikem
okay
sometimes mpeda me kan sem che na me fanet na me nche na me hwe n'enyim miss you know how much I love you I say yes nti the maximum be ka chiro bebia na tara wo sheko
wow
nye de bebia don't overdress one yankofu o de man hu be yebufu so the minya manyina ka che nyina no oti nti mamriken samame bi wo ho no otete ne ban na ne ban onye de more na on nche de Cynthia Morrison ye perfect da bi bompe na so nyankopon at the right time because emi yenu anu nyam na me stubborn oh minu anu mo se me benyin
unu anom no
wo ye cool
four no aw na epin
em na me third
aw na ye third oh okay
on the third phone si enyo ezin kakra nti minu anu na me it doesn't mean that na me perfect that be oyanyame keke na me mban wo fam no wo fa wo papa ka ho wenyo ezin yeda wenyo ezin but oba mesma ebuaza o very important because in the yehwehene mba na oya na oya mareho semiko social media only me greatest pain wow ahroba hihye obi so cameras ni nyim na penyin na sebi emben wo bebia ituma yaunana and for what me bisa de abadi na ihu nti na redem
wow
obi ye penyin kakra o why abrewa emi meji 61 meko 62 me ye mpanche meji 70 meji 80 meji 90
wow 61
ona me pe won yanko so ye mbrewa because mbrewa na nyansa wo won tim nti
you can look like
a young person
wow
na ka de obi abrewa nti na ya wona why
wow
bompe po de yete de ebetuma enyin
anya na ebe mi ka de nyankopon emma mi nyini te se o mi kwa na mi nyi before they be 50 something wow
nti memba wa bade me camera na wodi si wanyim na mi hu mfaso a wonya mi hwa ade kura pa mi bisa de nti ne maame wo he ne papa wo he yerin na yenya menya nkoma me she's my sister and my friend ne papa o friend na onye ntina ho no see esiri a nice girls ye koyeba mbenyifu pii be kada wo pehen you can decide to follow them if you there enye benyi no show na ejai na akofo fufuru you a nice girl by the time I ever warren na enyi benyifu be 6 7 8 na nyi hona nantew na enyi won nantew wi a enyi benyi na ebe warren no then you go and get a prominent man say dem mama enyi papa ma warren ina award dem benyi na enyi ne te ho na wo ko party a ina obi etwemu former boyfriend another one wo former boyfriend wo kunu onyim e wo pe na nyim but wo conscience you will never enjoy the party ebo kofi inti because of that abrabo na ya start a year born ye hwe ye hu ye no china wo small girl bi obeka che parents nyama ye ya wonpe and I listen to it na maka che me kunde sana ye keke ma mo former wonpe o sana ye di mo former so I call my children and I say this is what I just listened to this thing. Does it affect you? Do you like it when I scream? Also sometimes, but sometimes too, we don't like it.
Wow.
Maybe kakraba kiti man praba. So mommy, don't scream.
Wow.
Talk. I'm listening.
And
don't scream.
I'm listening. Mommy, when you are talking to me, just calm down. I say, nyabutana
yimekasa meti ekema.
Meti. Because Misha Nayas, Misha Misma na menywa edzin. Misma mi ya kra. Na ma wo besia ba
no temu
ma wo ba oye calm so me hunde ose de metie na asem
yes
because abofra na amankasa ma achim na wo no kwanfa mi suban oye boko nto o kire ma owa abofra ni mu because kaka o ma me ne hwan Nayas na de wa ehu nti mama oreka no oye but na me susun so de ebia ma enye sure de epemofra asem ana se meka se open kola asem tina e bia wo bebre no ana
me pe aka ho me bebre ma adopt ho me pe bia aka ho kora mo fama ya me feel me pe stop it why did you put this here stop it come on come and take this from me oh mommy you happy
my wo ma he
7
bako 7
na nche bako 7 loss
nyame
oba Christios wa 5 onu kwanka me ka che no fa bi nka ho
on the Mrs. M. Dodi be
come from na work wo nyina wo kwa na me yem hihim wow pasisi anananum ne baby nti e ba nananum unfortunately won fa ne man chen obi arhwe ne ba
oh ya se monte de tete na ye wo ya na ya beja amofra na egumodo
sisi azi lobby crown lobby nti eja won life amo wona wan so abobra
mbesiafo ne ya ahe na menyefo no so ya ahe
mbesiafo penyin ne ebesia maame
okay
Daniel oye benyin penyin na mbesiafo maame nana na erajoa na mampraba ye kakraba na Daniel ye penyin mbesiafo ne 3 na mbesiafo ne 4
menyinfo ye 4
mbesiafo ne 4 na mbenyinfo ne 3 Daniel Junior and then Nana
you are blessed sis mama pocho ni zima sum kakra bi ma mesna ba ho sesia ai sis pocho brem kakra bi seconds ma me twa ye ho bra sesia.
I like to touch on the social media bits no okay no. Bebre na funny say I can hide behind the camera. To me I am who bia but when say social media no the internet doesn't forget. You might decide to delete it or be a screenshot it so you should learn to be private. And you be an educator to social media wo kasa hwenie because nowadays no so wo ko interviewer they check it. Yes. Now, so called US crowd, they request for your account, your social media account. Last me feel almost a me fan so. They check everything. Inti sa wo now also there you just bad mad people obi a wonim ne da you just have bad opinions about people. It's bad. Yes, yeah, can say wo we efonsa na wa hwe wonsa because wo ye no enkwala no so di bi ba be ye panimu bi a wonim no man pani bi obi a wabɔ ne bre bi na wakofa na so kono ma
oye mareho ibo internet a na wore ya ye papa Mahama na biri ya ye papa Kufuado first party na Kufuo ba sesi ade we je
wo yes ana na che so pani ni fie me ko to sa na say we pani ni fie ne nteye because when you atia na ya tetewa you should know sense wo ho a ye nka
wo be kom kra na sa nipa no ne papa ye shofo ne mama ye shofo na nipa titru pa oni fie ba to ntia
one
ya semo
obi so ho a nkola bone wo ho obi wo wa ye si ye fum bone nim se maye ya wo no ya tete no nenso no trends inti you need not to trend on obi your friends say image because once a image reputation it is feathers so what scatter you can't go back to pick them one by one. Inti no obi hard earned reputation, you know, don't just use one day to just talk bad about it. Obo wa radio so kronya as a interview akwenya. Some of bekani na anya papa. They have been comfort you, and sometimes they are comfort is listeners ni nim nyansa. Yeah, yet in nim nyansa pa we can make deduce. You can make decision from what you are saying. It's a work kasa nyansa mu. Tassin by dream be once all can so say no si fa tete mano. She is conscious about so tete ne ba. It's we ya wo fo an physical pain so ani so bebre na nja wo ba wora.
Nyankopon sha what counselor. Mommy, me sam round so seconds na ye ntwa ye homra. Wakoye politician. Ni party true e wo man yi mu. Ye di watem. Ye so paw. Nsem bi wo no ma utimu se ye ka fa wo ho. Na wabusua na say minua no me wo manetia otim say bi wo na mo ye ma hwom omutimi di hu yaw esudi areho bebre kura me sure say ye ka kire say mami ade na wo resign and say mami ade na wo hu eya na sen na wo hu no odaro ma akoy politician
medasi ma o ma on how me kesenye de nyeda wo ka de Cynthia Morrison wakoye obi we ko wiadi wakoye something
in the name of politics.
On the name of politics. Na mo ba kan yire because me a politician nti we kasa. Nti onu pon. Oyo on and how it's your opponents will talk, but that, like I'm saying, you be criticized in politics, even among ourselves you be criticized. But a whole is not necessary. And my children watch me. They watch me. They see what I do, and they can deduce from what the person is saying. Then when you pay Kenzie, because they watch me. In the wabeshe, me wo radio do na me kasa. Radio and internet, sira Morrison. It will be there forever.
Yeah.
Make a election. Ma member what na won yem shishin won yi. Under some time in Kofu ye day, or assassinating.
Okay.
Some member need to honor eco campaign. What they try to. Those things and we're worried. But like what kind of one mommy, they know it's not true. So none of them is my in-laws, nobody, honestly, I have to be very frank. Obi and said the only thing is my life in our home. The mom isn't it dangerous, the people who want to do this, and they still around and all those things. But like what kind of Cynthia Morrison, why are they? All independence, it's why they independent or they're miracle. Those ones, you can talk about it. But I have my reason for going. But apart from that, is what will you say that I've done? In American. Like more ministry. Man know how I'm doing this school feeding for one can be and way did. Me was can on bamo. Sike bian bamo. You go straight to from Bank of Ghana. Give when I give someone over why in one scasaman. But one junior when they be a scan from one of my minute and call those ones they will talk. But apart from that, what else will you say? Let's can so only mo inti.
But mommy, mean chawano. I didn't see in 2024 no adaroma election wenya. I still independent
2024.
Oh,
how seriously? Wow. I'm here and I'm telling you. Share politics. I'm American. Abrabon, Yeruboa, Yehunde Ochina Biwo. Mitaway say, if from the membra says, set you trap a mum. Ina me be na me boto trap ni ma. I know how I will handle you.
Oh, okay.
Na me ban me be ye set trap me be ye interview na ka da me be ye nizi. I'll be my Cynthia Morrison. Me zi kan catch them me ye for mansa.
Okay.
Me yam bro them.
When you din
Pa me be me ye din pa. Because nyen tokwa no ye nyodin. Enyodin fa ye wojuma fa police ka fa hwe wo mba ye. Those are the things.
Yeah.
Since here me fi ha na me do fear. Me the first place I will enter is my kitchen. Me for hall. Me for kitchen. Ebe na me just stove me me connect.
Sorry na nekwasi.
Me fear sorry me fear sorry me do fie na per straight me ko kitchen me ko ye. Because me connect ba na obedi. Man na me nu na ediban. Man na me chuchu me bathroom, man na me chuchu me toilet. E bet na me 10 years e mba me bedroom da.
Wow.
Nobody comes to my bedroom apart from me mba na me kunu.
Wow.
Nobody. It's me toilet or dey with the man na me chuchu. Man na me chuchu me bathroom. Eba na me the foam na me paper me dem foam me we foam na me to me da direct a carpeting se ho.
Wow.
Man na me ye ni nyina. Me a strong woman. Man na me ko me go na my select is vegetables I mean tombe ye me ko na eziban. Fish I mean tombe ye me ko na eziban. Me we am ye eziban na my 7. Or they me feeding no kwa me feeding. Wow. But it doesn't mean they betum a trample upon me. Elections since I mean, imagine me back a politics once.
Basically, baby, so they to me, how they you couldn't even now they be here, then part in your time for politics.
No coins on number 1.
Okay.
Me any breakfast, me any lunch, me any okay. Breakfast is in me or penny or Stella. My change or to try fruits and vegetables, but to try crampona. Me was so come to me add on in the day, me be wait to BB, a Macasan Mabba toss ni BB, I'm Zacoman. Politics in. Inyama bebre cordra mampe na mpanyimfu nobody addressed it na mesidama me ye nyemre dem mamu ehu de
na obi mama yes oni mema ni sie ni wo parliament wa
mama we hu de nye obi a na wodi na rough nti oni aye wi sisi a wo se ye ka bom nti
okay NDC na MPP na ka bom
debi MPP fu no ye ka bom oh just sisi a ye ka bom na ya rebuild the empire
oh okay
nti sisi a member ka MPP one negative bia wo nti ona hwehwa enya
okay so still wugina wo MP no
me ye MPP ni fu na che me man ko ba bia wo
okay
me ko independent wie ye nkoto aban nche ehun de honorable Harry Nadris was called the wo yi hen fi parliament because ye ko independent. Oh. It is equal independent, then you forfeit your rights as a member of the party that sent you to parliament. Yeah. Into no ide wo yi hen film. Ina Right Reverend Alban Babin obeka de wo yi hen film. Na afenyo mark hen lead also call court. Na Supreme Court is equal independent kwa ye still members of the party. Yeah. Oh. Na ye we na party ye press conference. Na wo firm na me beginem. O ma me mic na me ka say dem ye even though I'm not independent, me still MPP. Okay. Inti me wi na baka dey yimi film. Supreme Court academic kan. Yimi film onye. Because what to one anthem me won to e. Me grant interview ma. Inti me kan. Na mom on na was support men na was suspend ho but see ampo wa afro bia back. Oh okay. Inti me baka MPP asem wo ha. Okay. MPP member kan ansem so on na pay boy e be United Front na ya campaign nti on na
Mami yes that if I try me try me ho adaro ma so mami na me try me ho brasisia says what try ba emza for yenya bo for krato ye brasisia emza for me mo akwa ba bi me the mobile experiences in life jumedi a weni go so yi enase enkobium efa mabo afọ ona so ma se nyina papa go furniture Jeffers mix cha angel beverages kwajo shoes I cute cat Palo and Shasha hey Nyami Jamo. In fact, mo ya de man ye fudodo. Madam Asepa. Yento aso neneno. No se Nayas de yesia. Ye yo. Sweet mommy. Eba no emma wo mo politics ni mu a. Wadaro mani die kwan so a. Sen e na hu no because asatem didie no. Yes. Too much. Ohun so mo nyina na omutimi stande atem didie ni anim guase na na.
Ebi wo hokra wo mba kra na wo kumbeka chode jai.
Yes.
Wo mba na wo kumbeka chode jai. Because insulting the door so do. Ebi wo hu ebi wo aye hu. Every day no kra na me ka cho. Bebre na me hu ebi am constituency. Ma me hu anye de bia. Wo opponent opera be contest wo ne nkofo no be propaganda na da menya man. Okay. And fortunately inye de menya any serious accusation be a merit kakra wom nyame bebe how they explain me an shade nya dem experience ni bebre no korpa means apart from they be a coincidence e will be pede na no common fund what the man one fan be day those things you would hear and maybe if you explain they will understand because I mean me too much na national television makade common fund one city po nyu amakojida odi ejuma won fanye day mo fanye dem because common fund onyamiza onyamiza is called odi ejuma menyo kasa meti osisi national television amerikasa ejuma contractor ya ni sika nso na miss won for me common fund na man on fanye wow 430,000 430 something thousand meti national television do won for ntia contractor ne kawo oye kisinde won ntia kawo meanwhile sika ne da ho mami sika na mezi ma contractor nti eba me
abade no record so dem nyaman
onu pose nyimpa ni nyi ha no we yi anu nti e ka but I can say it because it's a fact. Okay. Reason is it mean to me jana men come man e bia nyimpa no so nya dem reason ni nti but what I'm saying is that
also there can because dem kofo ni nyina ka ho na kro no entimi nkoso e kro no
nya de sika nso afọ sika no da ho no ye sika mi jai to my account ansa na me fido because
o sika asha wo ma wotumi da ya de
but the contractor needed the money because we ye astrotef man was enya krom na we ye park drain kesi bi wo nti su to no yira no aba park no do nti wo ye wi na su to kesi no che de onya de ebotumi use na obesa yintem ti no ida assembly na wo ye drain na assembly fus was wo nyiska wo de be ye drain meanwhile we be carpet so if park no do nti no che de won tumi nya hwe wo Victoria Park ho na krom fu no so ho won ta se de assembly so nyiska mo nyimanye MP no do hwe mo wo ye nti na dede ne do so ti menye nananom kasa na nananom reka de o de wo ye de mi drain na mpa so na me betu kwan and menye contractor ne kasa no so on hye de nya sika on fine onyi sika o de be ye nti nchi de ko hwe sika man ko di loan wo bank interest wo do nti no de man kasa me hwe sika na me de ma contractor no de ye nti o ka ji sika no assembly a no de mi sika mam
wow
which I do like Warrior police station me betu NDC one time no Warrior police station when we assembly nya sika man me bo contractor ne bo sade on fanye because no nya da measure chen
mami but wow personal money
oh mami personal money
oh mami me patron no way dey ye kra ukoto dream but so ya sen
dabi inti oye even though oye NDC project was starting oye police station oye crown na wo here police station onye individual no here police station ana MPP na wo here police station inti you so bandem no oye dem hwe ska ma ho na wo de ye na otua and it's been over a year. It's like happen nye de sika nda ho sika nda ho inti na miss me go into details mama one time ka crazy say still sika na mba only the mako ne personal mako ne personal because any da me nyo man hi wonya akrom kasai meti radio do metu maka me nye ne kasai obisam na me ka chende since amamba akwambon because me ba na ho no de wotu sika one around da ebia na me behave fine inti na mamban inti day into oroshe into na mekada me peda me go into details no send onu nukum onu so na me ho na me discan ma ho na wo de ma contractor ma fa share contractor ni sem okukuam me de ma contractor wo open obi a wo ho nti kro ni de obi enyim a wo de wo de contractor ni scam na wo de ma nti ahemfo no hwe waka nti me sheda nko into details
nti na cheda enyi won di ni ye
oh yes of course
oh it be sana stand bi
oh onu podi menjwe no
but edwene ho de be stand bi ma ye sure de wo boto ama
oh me se menjwe no kra nti me pada me go that agent
oye too much stressful ana there if you wana ipede home
as for stress is no kwanyi me catch all the ebi atinachira you see it differently me catch all the me stress that me boa
okay wow
no seriously I mean I don't mean to me and me yo
but na won call for wo boa o ntina anya stress no
me won for wo boa financial stress me manche me uska bebre me to my more than I did because sika was common financial than doors
okay
insi se menya meka de sika anya de manka se bia me koto kom sika bi ebenya nkrofo a wo beboa to do other things and I would love it but more than me ye eko aguna west ye won finfin aguna east wo go more central ejuma kum isikuma do bin ye twa hia ekwa you see the difference ebe home Cynthia Morrison ye you know e kwana wa say ogun wasem to apo nam da wasinti Cynthia Morrison da me kwani on be so onyam kwan nti I am my minim dem me suedufu wote my MP me very proud of myself for what I did, especially me fi ho. Okay. Me fi ho, the love that they had for me and the household name that I couch for myself, and it's something if you Elmina,
okay. But honey chum
me kuni fi nyakrom.
So is it because of daddy if
nyakrom me kuni fi abodom when you see whatever me was schools wo nti whatever I may be me kuni nti na me ahye na nyimnyam.
Oh wow.
Oh yes, and I have other two projects I may be me baba kan wasem wo ha. But because of Herbert Morrison, the love he has for me, you know, it doesn't me be to show for the years.
Okay, mommy, abadintina ifri Elmina. Na entumi anye bibi special ho. Na baby a husband me papa oye ukun ofri no mum na because of oda e woman ntina e try there. Be supporting krunkura or ho nyina.
Ehu de enye na kasa wo hen wakra.
Okay.
Into onyaza esheda ko wukum na me nana no man what's na secondary.
Oh.
Me nana be my sister paying firstborn wo was secondary.
Okay.
Me mama wo was secondary.
Okay.
Into secondary yet so even though you feed nani what's na secondary na me mama ba akra. Bank transfer ni ba akra. Ina oba wo mechiba na emi nipa na chiba nyim na emi na mechiba.
Okay.
Nti ye nkofo nkra na yet nine.
Okay.
Na ye kotana danso man for a very long time. Ti me ka de mejina mpo anka mejina wo danso man. Because o ide nya constituency me to aba wel mina da. Ti me tumi njina wel mina. Danso man na me to aba ansa na me boto aba o swedru.
Mama, apart from mekade ye politician no. Abe dwuma na isan ebia wo businesses, mami wo businesses bia. Say na aba kakra no bidi we nyire ho so anade
oh most schools too most school akra most school was redru school no kutin alone is a lot of work a very big school was redru up to GHS3 na me was school me start at 24 na me in school first.
Oh okay.
Me a blossom place school than so man
me a politics
na me dabi
me a politician
no me be a politician but me share here she.
Oh really?
In say you scan as a politics. Is here politics? Na da hwe umba. Na da hwe nkrofo. Meet wo under me frame driver. Or dey momo. Momo man nkrofo. So you help people. So
okay, so school no eboa e no na aboa everything.
In the me project me beautiful event center me you see it. On your event center keke. But then me event me train girls. Oh, okay. Before about worry crampon, say baba your wedding, me cho me sa one week ban, me sa war, me say be ma ukuna you happy, me say be say ufie, how to make love in bed. Nkofu bebre when you me sa war into those things. Hey. I want to train them before they marry.
How to make
how to make your husband happy in bed. You know?
How to make love in bed.
Yeah,
I didn't say come out the one. It's in a maja ma o maya 70. I didn't the ma. Nacha de nyimye pa. But I didn't
so. Aye ni yeso aba ma okuna ye board, aba ma okuna ko out. So dey ye not na.
Sister is na then.
Ye be kire ho ni nyina.
Oh. Ma, where the otimu say memma wo mo hwe no wo ma yes. To say ayi Stefan, your sound guy no just say.
Stefan oba ye wedding na bra, we no ye
fresh. Ayi me cameraman Richie Eddie camera Tola. Hey, mama confused.
One bra. Because Auntie Tini here, okwa problems for her.
Oh, okay.
Into both. I'm going to do something very beautiful for you.
It's nice that this time around our riguo no edos no one.
It be also
romantic.
It be romantic. It be so romantic in Kotina one. Okay. Obu social media count.
Okay.
What shall one with TV no what you know na anya wara. When that were ne be nyina no dey invest into the marriage na marriage or your marriage. Or there is such that who can benyin botum benyin be no matter what you do he can still go out.
Yeah.
But go out he should remember that he has somebody at home. Because benyin bo wa e ne den obeko. But at least say a man me welcoming attitude will feel no you do a loving wife or a responsible wife be see if you jam krom beba we say no biti ho ni lingerie nye bibi obeten off because ma ohu outside ni nyina obefia obehu ho a o ma benyin no ponko nti benyin bo so ha e ye den kro obeko but okokora mpa obeba because penyifo pi wa war odu baby a wa ko wo ho no so no wife.
Okay.
Benyin bo ha o he o tede den obeka cho the girl ni wa entumenyin inye ne wife rough. Until I want my girls to be that type of wife.
Wow.
Say in case the benyin ni po on ye faithful to you, no be kokra po na he still remember because me wan yankofum benyin fo a. Ogudu wo chase girls, but there's so much respect and everything. Ne will be on so there's no way about funny nature. Into either way, at least I will be seeing you will part as a wife. But me center and I mean training base ya fono koti. On wona bie nyina ye be mo hono ntitien ansa na wa awara. Na base ya fubu ho so a in the member benyufo they cook in the kitchen. O send in there say a lawyer na wo yesu ye teacher and or a nurse.
Ekwa broche mpo amho ha.
Obi anu anti why the Ghana kuti ya yende besia no kuti no benua na besia
soso noa.
But honestly nche dem besia fo yenje adwuma nyina ma benyufo because besia bo e man dem opportunity na ni nyina akoye na no benyin na so abampu wo be wo fufu wo me ka benku no na so ti wo no wo hwe nti how wa ye be na how ye betumi accommodate any mother-in-laws and sister-in-laws de bia ma meka chen besia fo nye de wukun ansa na ebo waranen no wo maami o nuanom onyim ho na ansa na obo ewo
Okay.
Inti onyim ho na ansa na obo ho ewo entumi ngini nyina mbodo te dem a oye wankuti nti nobody should come in dabi.
Okay.
Nti say we are able to accommodate your mother-in-law or your hostel there then kwanya me be kwama.
Okay.
Because our ni bebre o wa Mbesiafon go through a lot of stress. Inti wabre, inti omani attitude no mesa oti. Ne benyifun bebre so go through financial stress. Besia no wiska kra on yida. Ne benyine no koti no this kind of dress. Ne benyine no hu. Inti ye train one there. Onwoni ebie nyina wo beka bom na wetum wawa ma waran ayefe.
How many years na you
Men kan chiro. My best man anniversary Nancy, I may invite you.
The period would be mommy and papa tonight, be 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. The period.
My papa tonight 30 years, December 19th. Because my 30th anniversary.
19th December.
Yes.
2025 year.
Yeah.
30 years.
You. Yet today, obi na nyanku obi na nunua.
It's a papa for which you.
Only the mean to me but minim don ye. But oye nyim penti miss yes. Miss on mean to me but them is minim don ye. He's such a wonderful, he's such a loving husband, he's everything. Because I also do same. Inti edi e kadehwe mami no kuni today into eda me kuni yedama or you wrong. Abadina usuzi ba table. Abadina is ba table. Nataro shed you look at it emini underwear misheni underwear misheni bibia ni shoe obehwe nataro obehwe ni toothbrush make sure the toothbrush na change ni paste obe use ni cologne obe use ni aba everything I look at it edibana obedi odizet na nche nyene bonkomo intimo farmer dey see it member no hu dey aham one day poda say hu dey yenya problem a ye be gang up against him another hu so be gang up against me into onu onye ntokwa Maybe boys me a Chelsea because ne papa a Chelsea. I mean me a Manchester and I'm just me Manchester for into the minya man neighbor who feel the Chelsea Manchester. And then also said that Chelsea for ball. Me today they will feel Chelsea wash a 5 for said and I'm so come on Manchester. So that is the kind of thing. It's my fear dance more farmer and casa so when you and you yourself will be happy. Me ma wonya kuntu fu da wo kuni ye day nti wo so ye day.
Mushiem why make say MP and a politician. NDC ni MPP mushiem e wo parliament ha we kasa na we kasa meka se ku for ku MPP kasa na NDC so kasa ya na experience no senate because that question we dey refie because yes to kwa nyina to me see blows
say we debater but I must tell you me who why me fifie na mako parliament na mako kun for what
Okay.
Why yanyankofo yenua no obi a kire na
ade. Ntokwa na ye hu ho. Oba social media internet.
Ntokwa ye betumi aka ye ebi ye to aba for speaker na ntokwa si na what else ebi a worry abadi bi no ye kwen.
Oh sometimes onya dey bi amoro to aba but ye hu dey aba ma to aba na ewie no kra na still mo ko parliament a mutumo.
Oh heated argument because of debates in ebi a we pedo pass
into necessary there. se mo ye bibi dem a o se de oba abonten e ba
because cameras were on putting the on one of the babontin because every station be our parliament.
Yeah.
Okay.
TV stations in and radio stations in ya wo baby what's in our parliament wo gallery ho. Into gallery ho na what's in no wasn't some no crowd. Into sometimes assembly see na or the argument be bampo outside the fumpo what's the point na because e be a fan dem o dem ho. Nso ma asor me economy so another ma asor me come office and bibi. Into me impomenti yo. Or outside the phone wo be tipo and they breeze wo ho ansana. But we are brothers and sisters.
Not just say NDC ni MPP mu share parliament amoye namfo.
Ye Muntala is my good friend. Oh we miss me yare.
Wow.
Me too man call e o nchede me yare. Dem den na me ye djuma nchede me yare. Me bedam pe mo bie hu da me yare wo fie ho.
So ma
ebe wo sie won kwa me too man hwe.
So akwai politician aturencha me a osi. Ihu ni dey. Fande nyame mfa dem mba o. Okofa wo ho a. Mama experience the pede nye born tougher.
It's a sad story. Timiti do biti negative bibi keka na me boye fu. O send them plane in mama dey to kwan as a minister.
Oh,
me dey to kwan me za akota male. Me za akota takradi girls in one incident be. Me za akota male akoye adwuma me za akokuma se be twice or thrice. Ni nyina me ze koye adwuma. Nti ebu hopo a ewu na wukru a wotimpo why be 4 another 5 because our assignment or there kono nyim ya nti ezako nti could have been anybody.
Yes,
it could have been anybody. An accident is it otumi si me sure mani bo ama me share the personal leader.
Wow.
Me nyini share one on one da. But I just like him because my mate will be a kind of obuadi na mate ne kase cry. His calm demeanor into you be a me penasem.
Wow.
Mr. Sapon muku na nyanko pa. Me me share the nyimen. Muku na nyanko pa me di me nyimen. Muntala ye me nyanko o si nchodo worry me is a small boy like you also okay now I hear you have a beautiful daughter I'll marry her. Nti me nyini di dem agro ho mama in-law me so go where you na ye di agro. Inti unknown chedo to the shock nama oma me year first simple there was a muntaka dem na meeting the first do ye muntaka so na me ko Pan Africa inti e kwa ejiji bomo ye me nu onu podo friend mamle inti onu kuti na wo your friend mamle no hu ka o kan mamle me nyini very 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 fine me bibi na mental sa me koni nche inti meeting do your onrun ono ma me year kran sana me Betty ona wo
so ma asem ni si no mpocho etuma afre his excellency
abi me nyine number me friend oh nche onu podo obi a wish na yinti Ghana phobia ka do friend and channel calls baby me friend so first if your friend then vice no me nyanko me nyine kwa sorry but onu bo me friend me feel there na your friend then o mani bo amane ye no so okọ Accra girls miss me Accra girls into old students some them na old students for ebeko ye be shada ye ko chiani as a group ni epede nyama ko fom kakra nti that's it. It's a sad thing onye do be as your politics it can happen to anybody.
Okay. So ma my final question. More election where year more bakwakoyi or that be February.
What's the 31st January?
31st January. Okay, so even there your papa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no befa. Another even there your papa Kennedy and
Mpera make an answer bra.
Mpera kan answer. Nti yentren.
And me miss ye ko internal election and ye dede wo radio do.
Okay.
Ona what to aban wo form ho. Yen ko form won yen won kasa. Ona na ye wi na yen problem because e betena na say you no befa today if you bo wi na if coming together and wa be issue. Nti ona ze men kan answer.
Me ba cha me ma me Cynthia Morrison. O say mo e na bo be decide. Mo na mo be to kom so aba. E se mo form mo. Mo ntwen. Ye ba ho. Okay, mama, nyankopon won shira o. See it once afre wa ba. But you meba ho bi na wa kan final way. Says me ba jo nsema ya ka nyina bon to fa na ye nrabe a.
Yeah. So wotie ye na wo hwe yen na wo ye oba e che se wunyan kranhye so wo ye oba so you can also aspire to greatness. Enye be man kwa na etimi MP wa kire se it's hard work and perseverance and wetimi edu baby a wedu or start here no oye school oye niama bebre into the bibie si neni so oye se ndwuma ni na so nto ne ebusua entry ohwe ni kunu ye ni kunu bedi bibia so ye nti if we career woman na nche say destroy your family
dem no na any bedroom cleaning twitwi na dwa any ade nyina
wo ye career na nche say ja wo fie. Don't focus so much on your career and leave your family, your husband, your children.
Post kakra. Ofaka ye house girls be 4 3 house boys just say hey ninsan kan
ni nan wie no kra na wo ba na isuan. Once a psychology metia say wo your ba your children learn from wo into your ba na we active we adwuma wo to me aspire to be great. Your children will also aspire to be great. Into say wo your ba bon ho so ye bibi ni okay fatu honfo na titi wo maye hwe wo kunu ye so be center me okay no mani ajepa because okay no na che say premarital counseling is very important. Bebre nya futu asa wa ware na wa ware no si wo ba ware na che say wo shia
house girls ni bebre mi ntwa no bebre na omo na omo hwe mo kunu enti sa wo kona sa wo kunu koye nsi a kire a wo house girl ko si wo kunu achi na o massage na one ne koda na bibi kosi a
yes sir
mami to 30 years there is no way as any mama ekasa no obetimi nya ne kun ho kwan because o ma unra ne bedroom o ma unra ne chese ne washroom ni kunu aduan ko o ma wonye onu ade for boys akwa no akwa da bi se be ma na yo ba for boys house helps ni bebere na o monye o
akwa kaji
what no so yes and man na wonim se nkene comment me anware 30 years and MPs ni bebre and celebrities ni bebre and titrufo bebre aware no enche because of say sane ma we yeah
inti no ehu hia no kan no so se otumi ko makola tumi ko dwom ekototo ne niama that is management.
Yes,
you need to manage your resources. Economics say we have scarce resources. Sikane no so niama ndo so manage it. And yes when you kakra ntim pese midi wo kra de obi o wanye mo no okoto niama no ono kwa de onu aduane oda na wedi nti nia wey na kan me gidi say wasua nia mefri mo your ba who say you can also aspire to be great. 61 years ne wo fair and she's doing great things. Yes,
now what is ehiafo no ye ni bi no obi te say na ya say ye ni proud ehiafo stop proud for no me na me dika ya no me call restaurant ye nya 100 cedis a ye de be come market akosonson no aya ne nkakra edi bi asie no akesesem order
so you can taste it can the top bends you try your new
make the restaurants make them don't go out.
Okay,
enjoy yourself.
But at least
you can go on vacation, do whatever you want to do. It doesn't mean that you're stingy there and enjoy.
Wow.
But or you're there, you're economical. I travel out, I travel with the family, we go and enjoy ourselves, can go to restaurants, sometimes Sunday evening, you go and eat in the restaurant. Only they may enjoy. That is not what I'm saying. But there be, but or your day management because I won't any who kunezi ban.
Yeah.
Ne shefie ye. Ne se ka den de minti when you ban yempo. Benyin na pon onyo beko.
Oh wow.
But me and yen habit today they be or there or they ban be ban ebedi. In it ban outside restaurant they ban in. Ibi ye but ibu okwa enyi menyama okwa edzibanem. Inti wo kunsori nyene ne so no dey make sure they or you healthy. Inti won kasa banana vegetables atos ama na hwe na edziban dzima. Or you're fine.
We am prem bisa de mubeye yama mu dibrani dem a o mine sika ene di twa business class and I said flight no because
depend on what you
yama mu friend is in passport
diplomatic
inyo international de yetume de dem diplomatic ne mamo no ese o mo aso de twa ticket no e mamo
ka ye djuma za aban no oboso mo boto ticket am no wan kasa wan kasa tu kwanza wan e ko bibia ko emi bebe ya minister man tena abani fieda manji minister pay manji abani driver manja abani cook manja abani garden boy manja abani hwemiti mi fie na ko
adwuma no say
depending on baby nyipa ne wo but I did not think sibu ho a menyim how true it is because me tena mami fie manja abani the only thing I me you see abani car because ministry in worker I down in ezeko eti to come because it's why would the call na bibi ko so baby so that why that ban is no the ma won
eti dem car no mutumi jibi ma mo manso
dabi me we cry to what this you
wow good man
me ba kro ntumi drive me car no wa driver ban na car me car kra me ban drive
wow
mama warning me ban na car na me di be no ye mo fama car
okay
me car me ku ne car ye ban drive
Land Cruiser na Prado
enyi neto because enter Land Cruiser then to Land Cruiser e kwan Se start ye adwuma na to Land Cruiser na drive eto Benz na drive Benz endu Benz use Honda na Peugeot nkakrema no
nyame nhira
until there
mama me pacho obeye politician no what me atompabo a ebia eye 800 cedis da
800 cedis
Ghana
like
cedis not dollars
na $800 come to me shakura me na be ye film
na 800 ebia 1500
oh
Ghana cedis,
yeah
from 1000 going
yeah na ma po me tanto me to consume me kura me hu ne price tag and some the chill
because mpabo e for pa ntina ma adwena abada
emi so me ko sale
boyedin
me ko mo aye sale
oh okay sale no
enti sale no what do na to
oh okay mama mpocho nsema ya kenyina my final ways na mpocho bia se bibi wo epede
oh mama kanye de it's them mo bi some mpabo na some de mpabo bi wo ha or 2000 or fe on a whisker bottom on incremento
okay
or 5000 a whisker bituma to but endu ha mem kado bi shense ekoshe
okay
eto atare 5000 or fe na bituma ta fine why not why do you work but or dey modest in everything na dibi wa na bu yezin kesimpo or your pressure po bi anka wencho mo sha dan yezin na woka but my mebe kanyi dem o hia me kese on any social media and the young girls and boys if a camera is wenyim o man penyin ahye na roba minister bi ahye na roba penyin bi ahye wow age group mpo onye decent se nyipa na ya de na pede ka e wo right de butuma kana kan ye but aroba hihye di onfanye nko bebia it's something that me man cho wana wo yempo menya ho numbers one on one na friend one nti yenhwe ye hu ye ne yembo yembre o ye nyame no ma Cynthia Morrison ho ye fe I didn't participate in anything yakopon no yem dem nti nyame na me ye na obi no ho nye fe a emi mo school me ka che me teachers men kada abofre no ye fe penyanko ne papa wo ska penyanko nyimpa no ho ye fe enyi machi no bodu nyimpa ne papa enyi ska na enyi machi no bodu enyina ye hu ye nyimpa nyame abohen na ye ntina ye wasomdwe me da ase nyame hye enyina
mama wo social media handles ana enyi so nyibi
enhye dan ye
active edwen ho pacho me da se says pacho of telephone number na yenda mama se na fe yen sorry so
my number so uko social media counselor perfect 0243 28 37 84
okay nyamisha sweet mommy it's a senka me sorry na me sign be da wase na de ye sensen me chi me ye da sorry mama nyankopon wo nshraw nyamishrao nyamishrao nyamishrao
amen
sempo ye to nsa frɛ wo o se da bi me bɛyi de wo furu dua pa na ye piano enti me ba be support me bɛyi yankopon wo nshra ya no ada me producer nso ase ama me ne kriw ni nyina mama nyame nshra ya sis da wo nshra se da ne da to nsa frɛ wo ba chia hosbi wati hey mama Jam papa mami
yo
Jam papa mami yo
my darling husband Herbert and Morrison I love you Obaso chiao na membere nyina michie ho nyina nya mihya ho
amen ebusia aha na bre no be makwan ne yedi dwumadie no yedi asi nyankopon wonko so na wonya okese wo ma nkwatentene ahodene wo ma pade ye nyina nya yi na kai se edukwasi ada misrew experiences in life or how ben na to weni adaho amane ben na ukomu a ene weni adaho no kai se kwasi ada nwumre 7 pepepepe yedi ahyehyɛ so nyankopon koso hye dasane yebesa ehya